say what should be done. Basically, if you see that there is a Facebook, okay, that has to be maintained. There is a Google group. We should have a Google group of IITK women. If we are on the Google group, it becomes so easy to talk to each other. It's just drop an email and post that. So somebody should add all the email IDs to the Google group, and that's it. And then that's not public also. That's within your own area. So I'm adding yeah, yes, database content. Right. Okay. So we'll move on to the next one. So this is another event which we did in Bangalore, which is about the kindness activity. So what we did was we went to a hospital where we had kids who were sick. It was a children's hospital, 4-floor hospital, all kids, and we tried to make them smile. They were like very dull and they were crying, cranky, and the parents were also struggling. So we did a lot of like little things. We just all the people, alumni, 5-6 of us, we sat down on weekends and we made masks. So if you see, the child is putting the mask on his head. Actually, he's not wearing it. So we made new types of masks. It was all handmade. We did every stitching of it. We made all these the decoration which the clowns are doing. We made it handmade. We did it ourselves. And then we purchased crayons for them. We didn't go with anything else. We didn't have much budget. We just 25 of us went, and we had a budget of 10,000. So they were around 300 kids. So we purchased crayons for them, and we made all these paper stuff, and we made paper masks for them. And we went and gave them, and we asked one person to do magic show for them. We were there for around 2 to 3 hours, and it was a magical situation all over because parents were smiling. When we entered, parents were like so sad. There was dullness all over. But little bit, most of the people, they became a little, forgot their sickness, for a moment or two, and they smiled. They talked to us. It was the activity which we did there. So now what I am talking about is the social initiatives. So lot can be done by the women. That is first thing. So you can contribute to what is already happening, that is the education initiatives, Shiksha Sopan, opportunities for prayas. There are care and hope funds which IITK has, which can also be used. Hope fund can be used for excellence.
Care and hope funds are of IITK Alumni Association.
Yes, AA is there.
Is it for projects running in the institute itself or for outside projects?
These projects are in the institute.
The first bullet projects are in the institute. The second care and hope fund is
These are the funds.
The Alumni Association, and it will help. It will provide some rare help to the alumni or to the faculty. So there are some help which Alumni Association has already provided. Perhaps majority. Yeah.
Yep. So basically, see, this is just what is happening, but the world is open. You can come up with another idea. Like this was a new idea which we came up with, that we'll go to a hospital, we will just spend 3 hours there, for which we prepared on 2-3 weekends, and then we went. That's it. But the idea is that you can say that I want to adopt a girl child for education, right? I mean, once you say that, we have people. Somebody will become a leader for social initiatives here. So that person can help you connect. Then people will, you can find out what to do.
I have a very specific question.
Yes.
We are running a small project by the name of the Pathshala, and we started that in 2005. And we just picked 5 kids who were playing with the labor, who used to do the construction and all. And we just picked those 5 kids and started teaching them. And it was totally an in-campus activity in the college. We never hired any teacher to teach them. The official staff, the clerks and just the official staff, they were given duty leave for an hour every day. voluntarily they went and started teaching these children. So it started in 2005 and it kept growing, and today we have 4 branches running in Lucknow of Apni Pathshala. 2 in my 2 campuses, 1 in Barabanki and 1 in city. So my question here is that this project is totally the finances, be it free education, food, clothing, whatever best we can do with those children. We are just trying to do whatever we can in our own capacity. First month we just teach them hygiene, we just teach them how to bathe, how to brush, how to cut their nails, how to comb, and we give them these hygiene packets every month. So nothing is free, everything comes for a cost. Now we have a whole range of 10 teachers who are specifically hired for Pathshala. And we don't publicize this project. I think this is one of the very few platforms that openly I am talking about Pathshala, because I feel that our student community and our teaching community, non-teaching staff, they should feel the responsibility of this project as a CSR initiative, and they should contribute. So we don't accept any donations or anything from outside. We ask our people just to contribute time, just to celebrate their birthdays with the children, just to make whatever difference they can. Go and take a lecture, go and just have a storytelling session, and maybe have a skill development workshop, like some of them have contributed towards giving them embroidery workshop, somebody is teaching them mehndi, all those things which will help them in coming up with a livelihood even if they don't take up studies later on. So we are trying to do that for the past 11 years. Now my question is, can we have some help from the alumni, from IIT, as a fundraising exercise to support this CSR initiative that I am running, because it involves a lot of money. I'm spending on CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility.
I thought CSR.
CSR, that is Corporate Social Responsibility. It amounts to something like 1 lakh per month, which includes teacher's salary, the books, and whatever we are doing with it.
So yes, obviously your question is very valid, but we are not in a position to answer that, because see, we do have funds for IIT Kanpur Alumni Association, but you will have to raise your request for your personal project and see if it gets done.
Can I put this request through this platform?
She can. Okay.
But here I just request, because we all belong to IT community, and when we were doing our studies here, we have been helped by the workers, space wala, and so many people, and now we have so far gone and achieved everything. Can we plan something to fund some girl student of the campus community, and we can fund them? So at least let us start with 2 girl students. We can, those who are very interested.
But by a class where you make those factories, those people who are living in the house, their houses, and all that there. So like Mother Teresa wrote, you cannot take care of whole family.
That's what I'm saying. Let us start. Yes.
So like all alumni from Bangalore where to come and visit from Kanpur, visiting girls. So those Kanpur they call officers.
They can do from there, but at least
I was doing in my outhouse. I was doing all the tradition and everything, but there is somehow she passed last one and she didn't
you can always do, but let us begin from, because IIT has given so much to us. So let us start with at least the 2 girls.
It doesn't say that you have a very good idea. You should try to take initiative and right? This is an open world. Anyone who has an idea can become a leader in the CSR space.
What Gupta said, what we can do in the campus, and what ma'am over here said, let's make it very specific, have the target audience, from which community, from which sector. I can say, for instance, we've had mess workers in all the mess. So if there any of the children is doing very well and needs higher education, as a community, as a women alumni committee, we can actually work for their funding.
Absolutely.
So that way we should identify pockets and then put it out. Let them and find out, let be a little committee to decide who gets it, and accordingly we
Yes,
can
sir.
do it.
Ma'am, this looks like a very good project in which we can do right away. This would be the outcome of this.
Yes. So we can straight away
By
bring in the
the-
mess workers'
yes.
children.
We can start with
I work for Suchan since last 5 years. So we have few fellowships, and there might be one other fellowship which we can initiate for girls student as mentioned. So I think all the Prayas Suchan all do very good job, but most of the time we don't have funds to support anybody. So there are like higher education funds or like from 5th to 8th class funds. So all other kinds of activities are there. So this can be included if you wish. So in order to make a committee and all, we have our own committee in which 3 faculty members, 3 student members, 3 outside volunteers are there. There is an executive committee of 9 members. So they decide, but in case to supervise or to contact them, you people
what's
can.
your name?
My name is Ashu.
Ashu, we can take contact details.
You guys give your contact details.
You can write your little proposal and mail it.
I think
So
Shiksha
we can
Department is
already
already
hire
hiring
it.
it's
Which
such
one you want to first?
Shiksha Sopa.
Which one second?
I think we can
Because
do
we
this
cannot do all.
for helping
Yes,
the
yes.
specific best workers, kids. I think it's also very good. We can start something new.
She says they're not IIT employees, so kind of they are one of the needies and who are serving us. So that is so what I'm saying. She's got also a point where help could be rendered. So let's take all these suggestions
Take all
and
these
prioritize it.
options.
And
Like we have
see
Prayas.
which one we can work on.
And we can all collect by the end of this, like tomorrow, we can, whatever we want to contribute, we can contribute, whatever fund is collected, we can probably give ourselves to, ma'am, can you do that?
No, we can create corpus and then give it.
Yes, I mean, once we collect all of ours from the women convention, if it is sufficient money, otherwise we can wait and collect from more people.
She must collect money from women and association funds. At least those who are undertaking, give at least SC second class we are building. If it doesn't look nice, they are all coming from money. If they want, they can add more money and come back here. So we have to build up fund for women alumni, association separately. And help them, it doesn't look nice. They have to she says, Akila, 20,000 rupees she is spending on background wear fair and all. So some support should be there. Suppose if you say 50% will give and all, those who are coming from distance.
You can note it down.
I just want to add,
You have to
there is
build
the
up
outreach building. This outreach building name where our office is there. It is named 6980.
Yeah.
So the 69th batch and the 88th batch merged their contribution and they contributed to the outreach building. That is first. The second example which I can give is of Opportunity School. Opportunity School is done for the needy children and all. And the maximum contribution which the Opportunity School got was from the Pioneer batch, 65 and the 66
They are
batch.
all in America. They are earning in
Yeah,
large
sure.
amounts.
So
We are
here as a
in India.
female, strong female community of 2200, this is again a suggestion from me. If we can decide upon something like this initiative to at least adopt one girl child, a crowd of 40 is here and another 1960 at least. 1960 are waiting outside. Few are there in the web. So that is an idea which is doing.
This is another
And they
idea.
can do so the female alumnus also.
Ashwani,
So, ठीक है, job कर जाए तो let us not just float it in the air. Let us just form a community or जो भी some person has to take care of it.
Yes, one person has to say that I will lead. Probably anyone who is passionate about it. Somebody can say that I will lead the social initiatives in the sense that I will be the kind of director for that. What has to be done, planning,
We have done so much, but
Amita, can you take this?
I mean, once person owns it.
Have 4 or 5 people in a team. So wherever you know you are a little stuck, you bounce the idea and then you take a decision and then right can happen tomorrow.
It's a good idea.
I can be one of the members.
Yeah. So I have, ma'am has given her name. I have many people who have said that I want to contribute, right? So we can make a group of all of us. We can be on one group. Email ID. And we can just
What I need to say is that how do we identify the girl who has
Target audience.
and
on social initiative or funding a girl child for that matter, which girl child should be funded?
So we have to make a fund, sorry, a group, and whoever is free by that time, they can form. And then we also have to categorize this. Which category, where will we pick up that?
नहीं तो ये काम है
From which segment of the society
Which segment?
all those struggles?
मतलब ये कैसे करें क्या करें नहीं वो चाइल्ड का लीडर बनना मैडम को लीडर बनना क्योंकि कितनी कोऑर्डिनेटिव को हम चढ़ी
Shweta is here. Shweta will be there. Anita,
We need to conclude it.
मैम
what's her name? Jyoti. Yeah, was committed. So in Delhi also we can talk and meet once in a while.
So basically, you know how it seems to work best as per the previous like 1 year experience. I will tell you is that one task has to be owned by one person, right? So if you are owning it, we may have a committee, we may have a core group, or we may have all 40 alumni. You can keep floating your ideas, you can take suggestions, you can take volunteers, but you are the one who is leading it and making sure that it gets delivered, and it's your responsibility. So then only it happens. Otherwise, it is everybody's responsibility and.
So can you please note down the name of the
I think you should be noted down, right?
Anita, Shweta, then we have Jyoti Yadav,
Jyoti, I have noted.
then Vanita would be Krishna.
Manisa is
She's always there.
she's
The committee says that she should be Shweta.
and one more music, but I'm not playing it. So basically, now we come to the fun and socializing of women. Yeah, so anyone who wants to take up any initiative, like online, we can have, like we just had photography competition. You can say, share your recorded songs, or let's have some bulla sessions, anything. Your adventure trips, maybe a small trip somewhere. Like we all came here, maybe once in a year, we can always collect and do a trip also. Or when we come for meetings,